Now, talking about growing zones, if you are going to buy something to grow in your growing zone, whether it's at your local garden center or online, and you're in growing zone 4, or let's say you're in growing zone 6. Let's say you're in growing zone 6. Buy a plant that is rated for a growing zone of 5. Go always find a plant that's rated for a growing zone 1 level lower than what you are, because we all have those unseasonably cold or untypically cold or freak weather patterns where it gets to that next level zone temperature-wise. By giving you the cushion of an additional zone, you are able to assure that plant is going to be fine through whatever conditions that may occur. Whether you're in 9 and you get something for an 8, or you're in 4 and you get something for a 3, give yourself that extra protection, that extra cushion for that plant, so you're not rebuying it every 3 or 4 years when that unseasonably weird weather pattern or snow or cold snap comes through.